Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay.
Happy holidays, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Alicia. Today I'm coming to reveal and do a holiday home tour so that you all can see how I finally decided to get my dining room and entryway together for the holiday season. I already showed you all me and my family decorating our Christmas tree and living area and kitchen area, but I said let me go ahead and let you guys see what we came up with for these particular areas. I normally would do a decorate with me where I show you all me putting everything down, but I have just been too busy to get that content out and get it recorded. I was able to slip in a little bit of time to get everything set up how I wanted it, however, and so I did want to bring you all along to see what we finally came up with. Now, if you had previously seen my budget-friendly and thrifted finds haul for the Christmas holiday season, you would have heard that I had talked about and mentioned receiving these glasses from my sister. They were hand-me-downs from my mother, and I absolutely love them. They were a great addition to the Tablescape. Now, I absolutely love the gold detailing around the trim, and my daughters absolutely love them as well. We cannot wait to enjoy some eggnog on this festive tablescape. As you can see, your girl wanted the traditional look for Christmas this year. I am really loving the plaids and the reds, the greens, the black and white even. Just looks so beautiful. But I had to pull out this poinsettia, which I had from a couple of Christmases ago, and I put them in this beautiful arrangement with some other items that I had already picked up from Temu. They gifted them to me on last Christmas season, along with this beautiful star candle that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, you guys. And it absolutely smells amazing. I cannot believe it was $1.25. So let's give it up for the budget-friendly haul. Now, if you're interested in looking at the Thrift Finds budget-friendly hauls and Temu hauls that I had previously done last year and a couple of weeks ago, I will link them in the comments and the description box for you all. So another one of the finds that I picked up from Temu were these beautiful Christmas portraits with the reindeer and the sleigh with Santa. Oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely love how everything came together on my entryway table. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. So now let's take a final look at the dining room area. I cannot wait to see how we enjoy this area on Christmas morning and maybe even for Christmas dinner. I'm not really sure yet. I think we're gonna do a big pot of gumbo, and then we will do like a Christmas brunch at the breakfast table. But I'm so excited about the holiday seasons. You can see these beautiful poinsettias, which were also picked up on Temu, along with the LED stems. They are so gorgeous. And these light candles were also picked up from Temu. What I like about them most is that they have two different settings. You can set it to light, which the light will stand still, or you can set it to candle, and you guys, it will actually flicker just like a candle. I'm gonna show you later in this video how the ambience looks at night. I definitely wanted to get into the LED lights this Christmas because they always add a beautiful touch of light and glow, elegance to a space at nighttime. These are the stems that I had spoke about, and they are battery operated, and you just click them on. So we have a variation of different LED lights from remote controllable and also battery operated. So here is another remote controllable candle that I picked up from Temu. This is a 6-piece tea light type of candle. They are so adorable. They even have the little wax drip down the side of the candle, and they also have the same feature where you can do just a light where it will stand still, or you can do a candle flicker, which is so cute, and it just really sets the mood. I'm really thinking about doing a nice romantic dinner, even for Christmas Eve or something like that, for me and my hubby. When the kids get to bed and we can just sit down and enjoy each other, maybe a small charcuterie board with some wines and delectables, and let those little candles set the mood. Now, if you had seen my last video, you would have noticed that I was giving away 3 Jerdazen air purification systems, and guess what? We have selected the giveaway prize winners, and they have already been notified, but I wanted to go ahead and give them a thorough shout out right here today, and that is Brittany's Beautiful Chaos, the Glover family, and Lux Chrissy. Thank you guys so much for being such a wonderful support to my channel. I really appreciate it. I do plan on giving away more items in the upcoming year, and I'm so excited to have you all join along with it this season, and for being able to receive those items which have already been sent your way. Let me know once you get them and if you enjoy them as much as I have. Now, if you would still like to take part in receiving a Jerdazen air purification system, I will have a discount code on the screen. I will also link the product in my description box and comments below with that discount code. I wanted to take the time to say thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy holidays to your family from mine. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, peace.